Around the world, scientists are now using artificial intelligence to fight climate change, and it's working in ways that sound straight out of science fiction. AI is being trained to predict wildfires before they start, giving firefighters days of early warning. It analyzes patterns in temperature, wind, and satellite images, spotting invisible signs of danger that humans can't. In the oceans, AI-driven drones are tracking plastic waste, helping to clean up millions of tons of debris choking marine life. Each drone learns the movement of currents, making cleanup faster every time. And in agriculture, AI systems are helping farmers grow more food with less water, cutting waste and reducing emissions. It studies soil data, weather patterns, and crop health, creating smarter, greener farms. Even energy grids are getting smarter. AI is balancing renewable power, shifting energy when the wind slows or the sun fades, keeping cities powered cleanly 24/7. Some people fear AI could destroy the planet, but the truth is, it might just be the tool that helps heal it. Because if we guide it wisely, AI won't replace us. It'll help us save the only home we've got.